Hello. Hello, everyone. Welcome back. Thank you so much for joining me today. Today, we are in the community of Arcadia, which is located in Missouri City, Texas. It is about a 20 to 25-minute drive straight to Houston. Now, this home that we are viewing is built by Taylor Morrison and is called the Legato 2. This is going to be a two-story, four-bedroom, two and a half bath home. Is a little over 2,000 square feet, and the starting price is going to be close to that $350,000 range. Now, the one thing you need to know about a lot of builders today, since the interest rates are a little bit higher, they are offering special incentives, and some of those incentives include a lower interest rate of about 3 to 4%. So that can help a lot with your monthly payments. Now, if you are wondering what schools this home is going to be zoned to, they are Edgar Glover Junior High. If you are wondering what schools this home is going to be zoned to, it is going to be in the Fort Bend ISD School District. The schools are Edgar Glover Junior Elementary, Missouri City Middle School, and Thurgood Marshall High School. If you have any questions regarding this home, this builder, or any other real estate questions, leave me in the comment section below, and I'll be more than happy to answer them for you. And do me a big favor, hit that like, subscribe, and that bell to be notified of weekly videos. Enjoy the rest of the tour.